questions, are you bothered? Your Google form is being filled up by some bots or any other person who is not relevant. How would it have there been an option of CAPTCHA, which many websites use? Unfortunately, Google form doesn't have that option, but worry not, we can add something similar to a CAPTCHA. So see, in this form, if someone tries to submit just filling some random data without filling this question, first of all, they will not be able to submit. Second, if they give a wrong answer, still they will not be able to proceed. So how to do this? So just come to your questions, make a question CAPTCHA. You can just write CAPTCHA and just put a numerical expression and go to this button. Click on this button, click on response validation, and from the drop down select number and then equal to. The answer is 5 here, so I've just selected 5. So only 5 is mentioned. The form will be submitted. Thank you.